Jericho Rosales, galit na galit at pinate-take down ang isang scammer gamit ang name niya. Nagbahagi ang kapamilya actor at Asian drama king na si Jericho Rosales sa kanyang Instagram story ng larawan ng isang Facebook page na gamit ang pangalan at photo niya. Ang pangalan ng page na yon ay Jericho Rosales. Mapapansin na parehas sa Facebook page niya ang larawan na ginagamit ng naturang scammer. Ayon pa sa naging caption ni Jericho sa larawan na kanyang shinare sa kanyang Instagram story. "We don't know who you are, but we know what you want. We do have a very particular set of skills we have acquired over a very long career, skills that make us a nightmare for people like you. We will look for you and we will find you. But if you take this down fake account, we will not pursue you, and that will be the end of it." Samantala, may isa pang ibinahaging larawan si Echo kung saan kuha sa Quezon movie na tanging caption niya ay "Power, that insidious beast. #Quezon. In cinemas soon." May mga fans naman ni Echo na agad-agad nagkomento, "I am so excited to watch this here in Milan. Please come and visit in Milan. You and Nin. Echo Nin forever. Love you both." Dito nga ay nagkomento rin ang nagngangalang Jericho Rosales. Isa Nicolas, "Thank you for being such an amazing fan. Your dedication, understanding, and time mean a lot to me, and I feel so lucky to get to experience life with you. I cherish you forever. Thank you so much for the endless love and support you have shown me. Never stop supporting me. Heart, click the page to send me a direct message." Agad-agad naman itong pinuna ng isang fan na Maria Edita Soriano. "Jericho Rosales, you are scam. Don't pretend that you are real Jericho Rosales. But the truth is you are fake Jericho profile. This is not Jericho Rosales page. Huwag kayong maniniwala dito. Baka ma-scam niya kayo at hihingi ng pera. Block this person." Nakakaloka lang talaga at naglipana na mga scammers. Kaya kayo guys, magiging mapagmatsyag kayo at palaging mag-iingat, lalo na kapag humihingi na ng pera sa inyo. Kaya mag-isip-isip muna kayo bago kayo magbibigay dahil hindi naman ugali ng mga artista na humingi sa fans ng pera at kung ano-ano pa. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.